we'll start by we have x to the power so we'll write x as 5 to the power log base 5. So this whole thing to the power this, so these powers will be multiplied, so we'll get this into 16 minus 68. So we'll write log 5x as t. We get t into 16 t cube which gives us 16 t to the power 4 minus 68 t square. So from this we get the product of roots is the sum of roots is 0. Sum of roots is 0. That is if x1, x2, x3, x4 are the solutions of this original of this equation. We have log base 5 x1 4 equals to 0. Because remember here t was log base 5x. So that gives us log base 5 into x1, x2, x3, x4 equals to 0. So the product of all positive real values of x is 1. So the answer is 1.